what's in the mail?
It's a hard drive.
From Dell. Can I show the box when you're done? Here's the little logo. What color is it?
That's it, yeah, bud. Let's find out. Okay, here it comes.
Well, I'm gonna start deleting everything.
Ready?
I'll show you one thing. There are no less than 90.
Ah, there she is. Here's the box.
It's in a plastic bag.
You did put it in?
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I don't know if that's gonna go out or not.
Here it is before we installed the new hard drive. So, yeah. Can I see it?
That's it.
Show the front. What does it say? Turn it up.
Is it upside down?
It's a Western Digital. Standard overnight shipping.
Yeah, right. That's why it took 4 days to get here. Okay, you can turn it on.
And we'll show you how to install one of these bad boys, so.
I can always put it in.
Oh, so I can play on it until we put it in? Cool. Bye.